The best way that you can spend your money and time when you're building your online business is going to be by taking massive action. So when I first started doing private label, what I decided to do was go right to China. So there's this thing called the Canton Fair, which is the world's largest trade show. It's mind blowing. You can't even go in over 5 days, go talk to all the suppliers. You won't even have a chance. So this is where all the Chinese factories go, and it's kind of like a big flea market, but every person that is selling something is actually a factory, and they have all their products there. So every product that you see, you can source and buy right there, and they can customize it. You can get an immediate feedback loop and just go see a bunch of product ideas, talk to that manufacturer right there, and because you're there in China, they take you seriously, and you find out the real price and get a great deal from a good factory immediately. Now, when I went, I had no idea what I was doing. I booked an Airbnb for about $40 a night, stayed with some Chinese lady, or her girlfriend, her friend broke up with her boyfriend, and like they were crying there, and I was there, and it was a very odd circumstance. I lost a lot of time because I didn't know what I was doing, and I was afraid to go up and talk to these manufacturers, and some of them didn't speak English, and it was a bit tough of an experience, but I learned a crazy amount. So my friend Will, who I met actually by going to the Canton Fair, and I sat next to him on the plane on the way home, which was pretty crazy. He runs a group where he actually takes people and goes to China and brings you to the Canton Fair, brings you into factories. You get to go through tours and get the whole 9 yards and get one-on-one mentoring. So they'll help you find product ideas, and they'll help you go talk to the manufacturer, vet them, and negotiate and do the whole thing. So it's a pretty cool experience. Now, it is quite expensive, but it is, for the people that really want to go serious and get going fast, this is definitely an option. And I've actually been there in China with them before. So I met them at the Ritz-Carlton actually when I was in China and saw the group, and it was a pretty cool experience, and I wanted to go with them. I had previous plans, and just going and doing these in-person events in China, everybody there is serious, and you really build up your network. So if you guys are interested, go ahead, click that link and check it out. And the landing page might not be up to date because they update it. It happens twice a year. It happens in April and it happens in October. But going and being in person, surrounding yourself with other serious people really helps you just mentally get there and have that support, and kind of change from dabbling to, hey, I'm going to take this serious. So only go there if you're going to be serious, and definitely check it out. And you could go and do the Canton Fair on your own also. That's what I went ahead and did. But if you're looking for more hands-on, Will's been running this for I think 4 years now, so he's got the whole thing streamlined, and it's a really professional experience. So if it's something that you guys are interested, you go check it out. So just want to highlight some things that included with this. You get to stay at the Ritz-Carlton, which is a super nice hotel. It's actually quite above my standards, but if you're into luxury, then I guess you got that. What else they have is they help you with the passports and visas, which is something that when you're going to China, you have to get a visa. You can't just fly there. So if you're doing this on your own, just make sure to plan ahead before, because it takes a month, or actually it takes more than a month to get your visa. So take that into account. And then I guess the coolest thing about it is they have networking parties every night, so you get to know other people and Will and all the high level sellers, and then also the lifelong friendships. I guess that's pretty neat. So go ahead and check it out if you guys are interested. And if you have any questions, you can send myself a message, or you could send Will a message as well.